Welcome back to another Watershed Walk video. The KWRC has many restoration sites across the watershed that we check on frequently. We check on our sites to see how they have fared over time and if any further restoration or repairs need to be done to keep the site healthy. Today, the staff took a trip out to check on our Moosehorn Creek restoration site, which is just outside of Norton. Hi guys, this is Lauren with the Kennebecasis Watershed Restoration Committee. It's a chilly day out on the Kennebecasis watershed, but that does not stop us from getting outside and visiting one of our beautiful restoration sites. We are right now at the Moosehorn Creek restoration site. If you follow our Watershed Walk series, we did a video about this site in the fall, and as you can see, it looks a lot different now. So we are just out here checking out the site. Our restoration coordinator, Rachel, is checking on some duck boxes, and we're just here checking it out and seeing what kind of work we might need to do come the springtime. While Rachel spent some time checking on our duck boxes and filling them with fresh wood shavings, the rest of the staff ventured through the site to do some exploring. The KWRC has done a great deal of restoration work at this site. We have done bank stabilization and bioengineering techniques to restore the integrity of the stream banks. We also installed fencing for cattle, stabilized a fording site for cattle and equipment crossing, as well as installed duck and bird boxes. Additionally, we planted countless trees and willow stakes to aid in bank stabilization efforts. We were so excited to see that some of the willow that were planted at the site are starting to grow and contribute to the stabilization of the site. Thanks for tuning into this week's Watershed Walk. Thank you to all of our partners that help make the work we do at the KWRC possible. Make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates on all of our restoration work and more. We'll see you next time.